with Tommy. Today we're making pumpkin spice cookies. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cup of light or dark brown sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil or canola oil, and 2 eggs. First thing we're going to do is mix in all our dry ingredients. Now we're going to give this a quick whisk. Get all our dry ingredients nice and mixed. Now we're going to start putting in our wet ingredients. We're going to start with the oil, the eggs, our pumpkin puree, and our last thing, the vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix all this together. Now that our batter is all mixed in and it came together nicely, we're going to take a spoon and scoop some to a cookie sheet, and they're going to be 2 inches apart. So let's begin. Now that the cookies are already placed on the cookie sheet, we're going to place it in the oven on 325 for 15 to 18 minutes. Also, stick a toothpick in them, and once it comes out clean, they are ready to go. So let's take these bad boys over to the oven. Here they go. Center in the oven, 15 to 18 minutes, and we'll come back in a little while and see how these bad boys look. Now that the cookies are done, we're going to place it to a wire rack for them to cool. Now that they're on the wire rack cooling, we're going to leave them for about 15-20 minutes to their room temperature, and then we're going to put some powdered sugar on them. Now that the cookies are done, the last thing we did was put it on a plate, put a little powdered sugar on it, and that's it. Easy recipe, great for parties, or just little snacks or watching TV. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit the bell to see more upcoming videos. I want to thank everybody for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Tommy. As you see, the cookies are done and they look great. Please subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. This is Cooking with Tommy. Thank you.